The future of AI coding assistants is here. AutoCoder takes AI-powered coding to a whole new level. AutoCoder isn't just about writing code, it's about understanding your intent, generating efficient solutions, and even learning from your feedback. Let's dive into its amazing abilities. AutoCoder, the new AI coding assistant, last month, GPT-4 was launched and has already made a big splash in the generative AI world. One of the key features that developers value is its ability to run and debug complex codes, making their work simpler and more efficient. But now, a new AI coding assistant has arrived that is even better at coding tasks. This new tool, called AutoCoder, is making waves in the fast-changing world of generative AI. AutoCoder is an open-source large language model that shows impressive outcomes as an AI coding assistant. It is designed to make understanding and writing code easier and more efficient. It outperforms well-known models like OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo and GPT-4 Omni in various coding benchmarks. This means that AutoCoder can handle coding tasks with greater accuracy and speed, making it a powerful tool for developers. One of the most important features of a coding assistant today is the code interpreter. This tool allows the model to debug and run code, making it essential for fully automating tasks related to scientific calculations, advanced programming, and similar activities. To create a code interpreter, the model must accurately identify and execute the correct code blocks. At present, only a few AI models like GPT-4 and intern LM Chat have the capability to support such interpreters. However, these interpreters have limitations. They cannot communicate with external systems and operate in a closed environment. This restriction means they can't run code that needs to install external packages, which limits their functionality. AutoCoder fixes this problem by allowing the installation of necessary dependencies without needing specific instructions. This capability is achieved by training the model to use Bash scripts to execute commands when required. This feature is highly sought after by developers today. Having a coding assistant that can handle all dependencies on its own saves a lot of time. Developers no longer need to manually install packages or deal with errors related to missing dependencies. This makes coding tasks and development projects much more efficient and less stressful. The ability to automatically manage dependencies streamlines the workflow, allowing developers to focus more on writing code and less on troubleshooting setup issues. One of the main upgrades of AutoCoder is its accuracy. AutoCoder reduces errors and produces reliable code more consistently, which is crucial for developers who rely on these tools to streamline their work. It is excellent for code generation, review, and debugging. It also works faster than previous models, helping developers complete their projects quicker. This efficiency saves valuable time, allowing developers to focus on more complex aspects of their work. It supports multiple programming languages and can adapt to different coding styles and practices. This makes it a flexible tool for a wide range of programming tasks. A key advantage of AutoCoder is that it is very accessible. It comes in different sizes, including versions with 33 billion and 6.7 billion parameters to suit various needs. This means that whether you need a powerful model for complex tasks or a smaller one for simpler projects, there is an option for you. The best part is that you can install and run it locally using LM Studio. This makes it a practical tool for both individual developers and organizations. You don't need a big, expensive setup to use AutoCoder. You can run it on your computer. This flexibility is especially useful for developers working on personal projects, small teams, or even large organizations that prefer to manage their tools in-house. AutoCoder is a versatile tool with its ease of installation and use in different coding environments. You can integrate it into your existing workflow without much trouble. AI Instruct enables AutoCoder to generate and test code effectively by interacting with an external code executor. This setup helps ensure that the code not only works as intended, but also comes with clear documentation, making it easier to understand and use. The agents involved in this process mimic real programmers by writing code, running unit tests, and verifying the accuracy of the results. This setup is beneficial because it combines the automation of code generation with the reliability of human-like oversight. By simulating the actions of programmers, AutoCoder can produce high-quality code that meets specified requirements and standards. The external code executor plays a crucial role by running the code and confirming that it behaves correctly, thus adding an extra layer of validation. The AI EV Instruct methodology is a remarkable feature of AutoCoder, setting it apart in the field of AI-driven coding tools. This methodology is built on a two-stage architecture comprising teaching and self-learning stages. During the teaching stage, AutoCoder learns from open source code snippets and teacher models such as GPT-4 Turbo. This stage is important as it allows AutoCoder to gather a large amount of knowledge from existing code and advanced AI models. In the teaching stage, AutoCoder absorbs various coding techniques, patterns, and best practices by analyzing open source code. This process involves studying a wide range of code snippets, which helps AutoCoder understand different programming styles and solutions to common coding problems. The inclusion of teacher models like GPT-4 Turbo further enhances this learning process. These advanced models provide a strong framework for AutoCoder to follow, offering guidance and setting high standards for coding quality and efficiency. In the self-learning stage, AutoCoder enhances its understanding by continuously interacting with and receiving feedback from its environment. This stage is different from the teaching stage because during self-learning, the student model replaces the original teacher model. Instead of relying on the teacher model, the student model takes charge of the entire execution and feedback process. It acts both as the questioner, asking questions to clarify tasks, and as the coder, generating the actual code. This method of self-learning is important because it allows AutoCoder to refine its abilities autonomously. By being responsible for its own learning and code generation, AutoCoder becomes more skilled at producing accurate and reliable code. This self-sufficiency helps it to learn from its mistakes and improve over time, ensuring that the code it generates meets high standards of quality and reliability. What makes AutoCoder stand out from other models on the market is this unique self-learning capability. Many other models rely heavily on pre-programmed rules or continuous human supervision. In contrast, AutoCoder's self-learning approach enables it to become increasingly proficient on its own. This autonomous refinement process not only makes AutoCoder more efficient, but also enhances its ability to handle complex coding tasks with minimal human intervention. AutoCoder's 33 billion version has outperformed both GPT-4 Turbo and GPT-40 in the Human Evaluation Benchmark, which is a test that measures how well AI models perform on various tasks. It set new records in coding benchmarks, showing it can handle a wide range of programming tasks better than GPT-40. This includes writing clean code, fixing bugs, and even optimizing existing code for better performance. According to the trial results, AutoCoder achieved impressive scores in Java, C++, and Rust with Pass 1 scores of 61.4%, 68.9%, and 60.8% respectively. This strong performance highlights AutoCoder's ability to create code in multiple languages effectively. Although a few models, such as CodeQuinn 1.5 Chat, outperformed it in some other languages, AutoCoder's overall multilingual coding skills are impressive in comparison to other models. AutoCoder surpasses OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo and GPT-4 Omni on the Human Evaluation Benchmark. This benchmark measures a model's ability to understand and generate accurate code. AutoCoder's test accuracy on the human evaluation-based dataset is 90.9%, which is higher than GPT-4 Turbo's accuracy of 90.2% as of April 24th. This indicates that AutoCoder is particularly adept at handling coding tasks and generating reliable code. Its ability to outperform other prominent models in specific benchmarks shows its potential as a valuable resource for developers and programmers. With its high accuracy and multilingual capabilities, AutoCoder stands out as an exceptional choice for code creation and software development tasks. It is particularly valuable for those who need dependable open-source solutions for their coding tasks. AutoCoder offers advanced code interpretation skills, which are crucial for developers working on complex projects. Its ability to handle sophisticated code interpretation makes it a reliable resource, ensuring that developers can trust it to meet their coding demands. The efficiency of AutoCoder means that it can process and interpret code more quickly and accurately than many other tools. This speed and accuracy are essential for developers who need to streamline their workflow and reduce the time spent on debugging and code analysis. With AutoCoder, developers can focus more on creative and complex aspects of their projects, knowing that the tool will handle the intricate details of code interpretation. AutoCoder is a game changer in the field of AI coding assistance. Things will never be the same after AutoCoder. As an open source tool, AutoCoder provides developers with the flexibility to customize and adapt it to their specific needs. This adaptability is a big advantage, allowing developers to modify the tool to better fit their unique coding environments and requirements. The open source nature of AutoCoder also means that a community of developers can contribute to its improvement, ensuring that it continues to evolve and stay updated with the latest advancements in coding and software development. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.